This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Dallas Police Department. Many people around the Dallas area have been reporting sightings of strange eagle-like creatures flying around. Because of this, we advise all citizens that are not inside to take shelter inside any building that's near you. These creatures are not able to kill you if you are inside any type of structure. This broadcast is a follow-up to the last one. Since the last hour, we have received more information about these creatures. With this information, we can now provide a visual description of how these creatures look. These creatures are 2 meters wide, have large claws and 1 meter wide wings, and make a very unique sound that we will show you a sample of. If you hear this sound, then please turn off all lights, do not make a sound, and turn off all electronics. This is an emergency. The creatures are now able to break inside homes. If you're inside your car, home, or any building while watching this, go to the lowest floor in your house and hide under a table or anything that can cover you. These creatures are very strong and can easily rip off the roof of a car and also the roof of a house. If they find you, then pray to God that they spare you in a peaceful way.